Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change Bitcoin address on Cash App. So let's get started. The first solution you can try is closing your Cash App account. To do that, click on your profile on the top right hand corner and now scroll all the way to the bottom and click on support. Once you're on this screen, click on account and settings. Now scroll all the way at the bottom and you'll see an option that says close your Cash App account. Click on it. Now you'll get a confirmation screen. Just click on confirm and now create a new Cash App account using the same phone number and your Bitcoin address will be changed. Now if this doesn't work, you have to try another solution, which is contacting customer support. To do that, go to your profile and then scroll down and click on support. Over here, click on something else, scroll down and click on cash card. Again, scroll down and click on contact support and click on not about a transaction. Once you're on this screen, click on chat. Now briefly explain the situation to the Cash App support and hopefully they will change your Bitcoin address. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.